Saint Joseph Academy of Nursing Kabupaten Apok Umtro River District kalapan kutno ya ke Jingrakhe ya kata yo jikin nurse lani ka nurses week daga penlongru ya ka si bakar pang jikin nurse lani kata ka International Nurses Day. Hakan di ke Jingrakhe I Assistant Director Nursing Directorate of Health and Services jangka sorkan Meklea I kong Ivory Kadu ya lang kongsan haka bala don langru I kong carry ring do belong is Superintendent of Nursing jangka care but kiwe pat. Hakan iksi kisah mula pula nurse rengkat ke museum ke jingkman bagi jang sosial kila ayah ki cultural program ki paper mantan sung bahaya kan iksi bakum kadak ke jumuram ye ki nurse mana samru ye ki busket nani ki prize baro kitu ki nurses nani ki students ki bisem mata ki jingla ka ki competition ki paper.
And the second prize, any guesses? Till they move out of the medical establishment or of the hospital. Nursing is one of the most physically and emotionally demanding careers. Nurses work in very high stress environments dealing with life and death cases every day. The profession of nurses requires a lot of devotion and service attitude. A nurse often goes